Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you about was and were, how we use was and were in our sentences. Okay, let's look at was and were, and let's use either was or were to fill in these gaps. Okay, these empty gaps. When do we use was? Was is used with subject I, she, he, and it, and were is used with subject you, we, they. Clear? So let's start with first sentence. I blank reading. Okay, with I we will use was. Okay, I was. I was reading. Was is used with subject I, she, he, and it. Clear? Now I was reading. The sentence is I was reading. Next is she blank writing. Was is used with subject I, she, he, and it. Here is also she. So we will use was. Okay. She was writing. Now next is you blank playing. You blank playing. So here will come were. Were is used with subject you, we, and they. So we will use here were. Clear? It blank climbing. So what will here? What will here come? Here come was. It was climbing. Was is used with subject I, she, he, and it. Now next, they. They. They blank laughing. Here will come were. Were is used with you, we, they. Okay. He. He blank baking. So here will come was. Because was is used with subject I, she, he, and it. Okay. He was baking. We blank singing. So here will come were. Because were is used with subject you, we, they. Okay. So here will come were. We were singing. I hope you understand. Like, share, and subscribe.